Good day, my people. It's your king, Aaron D. Wiggins, coming to you from the hot city of Atlanta. Yes, sadly, I did move from Tampa, Florida to Atlanta, Georgia to bring my YouTube channel back to the good people of Atlanta. This is where I came from. This is my home. This is where my heart is at, which is where my mom stays. And I really wanted to come and take the resources that are available here to make this YouTube channel a nonprofit organization, build a website, and build a background so people can know exactly what people's public health really is. So to find out what people's public health is, I want you to begin to tell you what is public health. Public health is the art and science of prolonging life, preventing diseases, and promoting human health through the organized efforts of community organizers, doctors, nurses, epidemiologists, environmental specialists, and everyone that's working in together to make the community a better place. Even policy advisors and some legislators can be considered a part of public health. So what does that mean for people's public health? Well, I still want to do videos about the critical issues of public health, like food insecurities, homelessness, getting tested. Even we'll go on to more serious topics like rape culture and the red tide epidemic. But what I really want to do is expand upon it. I know we have different segments like advice for ignorant leaders, where instead of talking about dumb, idiotic leaders, I talk about great policies and influential leaders that have done great in their community. On top of that, I want to build up a website where I can have podcasts, discussion boards, and event posters about what's going on in people's public health and in the community of Atlanta. That way, people can get engaged and come out and see me personally and work with your community yourself. People's public health is about supporting the nonprofit organizations that are taking care of these critical issues. So what I want you to do is to look at these different type of nonprofits, or make your own nonprofit in your own area, where you can have a lasting change in your community and take care of one of these problems in public health. On top of that, along with our 5 to 10 minute videos, I want to add podcasts or listenings on the website and on the channel. So that way we can get into more depth into these critical issues, because just leaving it for 5 to 10 minutes is not enough. We need to talk about the different types of nonprofit organizations and professionals that are and how they take on these issues. Mm-hmm. That's why it's going to be on the website, so that people can also discuss about it on the discussion boards, or even educate themselves more on the topic. Along with that, I wanted to announce the event calendar. Like I said earlier, I want to make it so that people can give back and come out and volunteer to these different types of nonprofit organizations. You probably noticed that, there's always some place like either Eventbrite or online where you can find out what's going on in your city when it comes to party. Well, if you can party for 3 times a week during the weekend, you can give at least 1 or 2 hours for volunteering. So it's not to make you feel down. It's just that it's another opportunity to get back to your community, because everyone likes to volunteer too, and it's a good way to make yourself feel good as long as you have a good time with the people that you went out with. Finally, I want to introduce a marketplace. Each week, I'll probably drop something related to the content that was posted on Monday, or any other type of clothing or designs that I want to post on the website. That's where you can go and purchase t-shirts, hoodies, even little wristbands, or just our people's public health stickers, where you can spread out the word, or people can come up and ask you, "Hey, I like that shirt. What is food insecurities about?" That way you can talk about the show and talk about the critical issues that you want solved the most. Sadly, this website is not up and running yet. I do hope to have the website up by the end of the month, end of August, so that way you guys can really check out the website and figure out ways to get involved. But check out next Monday, and you'll see new content posted up about rape culture and how it affects public health. Please give me a like and subscribe if you like the content and you want to see more videos. And also, if you have any nonprofit organizations or public health issue that you really care about, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll definitely see if I can get around to it. But till next time, I'll be with the people. Will you?